What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins. We're checking it all out for you guys because you just never know which project could absolutely crush it. And in this video, we're going to be checking out Bart coin. Now, before I dive into the project any further, always remember, none of this is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Invest in Bart, the newest and most exciting meme coin inspired by Bart Simpson. And they did their own character design for Bart, so we don't have to worry about any copyright issues because Bart is not a copyrighted term. Welcome to Bart, the meme coin deployed on the Binance Smart Chain that pays homage to everyone's favorite mischievous cartoon character. Our mission is to provide a fun, community-driven investment opportunity that celebrates the power of memes in pop culture. With a vision to become the leading meme coin in the market, we believe Bart is the perfect addition to anyone's investor's portfolio. Join us on this journey to revolutionize the world of meme coins, and let's get to the moon together. They also have a white paper right here that you could take a look at. Let's pull it up real quick just for a quick run through, just to see what it looks like. Okay, so the team has done their due diligence, and the team of the project looks like they're doing their best to build. They have deck swap, reflections, their own blockchain in the near future, NFT staking, their own blockchain. Hold on. That is piquing my interest. Okay, so they plan to incorporate smart contracts into the project's utility. Then they have their roadmap for the white paper as well. How to buy, so they aim to do a CertiK audit, blockchain development, white paper 2.0, CEX DEX listings, Bart swap, Bart staking, NFTs, NFT marketplace, Trust Wallet logo, AI. They plan to work with AI as well. Skeleton multi-chain trending. Never heard of that, but I have to look into that. But it probably is a big deal. And a number of different things that we see here from the Bart coin. Now, because they're doing a blockchain, it is a coin and not a token. Okay, blockchains have more chances of success than just a token, right? So this could potentially crush it as long as the team delivers. Now it's, if it really is going to boil down to is if the team delivers and the community keeps pushing the project, right? Our mission is to provide a fun, community-driven investment opportunity that celebrates the power of memes and pop culture. Remember, guys, don't take any of these meme projects too seriously. It's all about the fun. Some of them do develop and become something great. Some of them do get to that point. We saw that with Sheep, Doge, and a bunch of other memes like Baby Doge, Floki, as well. So they do get to that point. Pepe as well, right? But you just have to do your due diligence, right? Our vision is to become the leading meme coin in the market and revolutionize the world of meme coins through community-driven innovation and creativity. So the deck swap, integration, staking, NFTs, and what I'm interested in is the blockchain of Bart. This is the partnerships that they have. Sheep Knight, big name. Dogecoin Ride, big name in the space. Shibarium Whale, a lot of big names. Floki Army, Sheep Army that support the project, which is great. So yeah, it has people behind it in the space that have a ton of followings, a ton of following, a ton of influence. So if they help to push the project, we know how it goes. When more and more people are talking about the project, it could go further and further. So buy and sell tax 10%, reflection, development, and marketing is the breakdown for the taxes. And they have their roadmap as well. And what is interesting is that the chart, when I saw the chart, I was like, whoa, this is a pretty good chart. It's in an uptrend, right? It is in an uptrend, so that is bullish stuff. You like to see that, right? It's been out since the 2nd of May, so it's been around for around 22 days already, 23 days, guys. So that is great stuff, guys. To see that it's been on an uptrend since launch. that's super bullish for the project. I wouldn't say otherwise, right? So it looks like it could have a huge potential. It could have huge potential in the future. 8,400 followers, and like right here, right off the bat, the same thing I saw, the uptrend that the project has. So there, it's at a $5.6 million market cap, and it's on Mexi. It got listed on Mexi Global, so it has that liquidity. It has more stability to the price because of the Mexi Global listing, L Bank as well, and Bitmart right here, Mexi Global, Bart coin, and we can see that uptrend. So like I said, who knows how far this project could go in the future, but the team is definitely putting in that work, and the community is definitely being super active with a bunch of likes, 300 likes, 100 retweets, and different exchange listings, multiple exchange listings as well. So the potential, a potential 10x, 20x, even more. You can't rule that out for the project. Just always manage your risk, do some due diligence, you know. Take your initial at a 2x, or take your profits off the top, leaving that moon bag, and let Bart go to the moon, right? If you hold Bart, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Bart and myself is in the description. Let me get your thoughts of the project and what other projects you'd like me to check out as well. I think the project looks great. As far as the charting goes, the trend is your friend, so it looks pretty bullish as far as the charting goes. And yeah, Bart team, if you want me to cover the video, cover the project more often, feel free to reach out. But it does look like the project is making waves, right? So we'll see what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.